everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little different video. It is recorded different. Obviously you can see that I'm standing, right now I'm standing in my boyfriend's bathroom, but I am recording off of my phone, which is something that I usually don't do. I usually just record on the actual Canon camera I have, but I decided to do it anyways, want to do something different. But this video was very highly requested. It was my hair routine, the products I use, and all that good juicy stuff. So I finally got it up for you. I was just like, let me just do it. If you follow me on my Instagram, I did post, I believe a week ago, on how I should be, you know, more consistent, because I know I always say something and then I don't do it right when I say it. I always do it like so much time like afterwards. So I'm really trying to work on being consistent for you guys. And before the video, you know, and before me, you know, stop jabbering and moving on to the video, I do want to say that I do have type 2 curls. And if you don't know your curly hair type, there are several blog posts and information that you can research after you watch this video, or if you pause it now and go look it up. I do have type 2. And please remind you, I am currently on my hair journey right now, so it's not the curliest it can be. I am trying to get my curls back. But like I said, without further ado, if you want to know how I achieve this look and how I always get my curls, the products I use, and how to, then please stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so I'm recording off my phone, so that's one. This is probably like a different video for you guys, so I'm currently in my room, so if there's like a mess, just excuse me and my apologies just before. But I'm gonna really just kind of show you how I do my hair, like the products I use. I know even though I have all the products listed that I do use for my hair and in the order I use them on my Instagram, and like one of the stories that I have on my page just dedicated to my products, and like the first to last order of, you know, how I use them from. But I have second day hair. I know if you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I did get a haircut yesterday actually, so I'm just gonna take it down right now. I had it in a ponytail. So it's second day hair. There was some product in it, so obviously that's why it's like way down, but all in all, it's like right by my collarbone. But all in all, like, I'm living for it. I had my hair this length like 4 years ago, roughly 4 years ago. So obviously you can't see really any curls, you kind of see some waves. So I'm just gonna kind of show you how I bring my hair back to life. So let's get to it. So I wanted to say, kind of before I really jumped into it, I have 2 bins. This is really like my products, like my leave-ins, some volumizing stuff, oils, curl enhancing smoothies, some hair masks that I have in here, just a whole bunch of good stuff. And then on this end, I have my like deep conditioning mask and my protein hair mask, and then obviously like a co-wash here. I have some Diva Curl No Poo shampoos, and then the ultra moisturizing conditioner from the One Decadence line, a spray Miracle Milk that's really like kind of like a leave-in, really to detangle, just because before I really got my hair cut, it was so bad detangling my hair because of how damaged it was. And moving over here, I'm going to show you just really quickly the what's this called? Oh my god, I'm having a brain fart. My blow dryer. I use the ceramic Babyliss Pro. I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was at a really good price. I believe I got it for like 30 bucks, I believe. And I think that was with like their 20% off coupon that I usually get. And then I use the Extava Black Orchid Hair Diffuser, and this is like the bigger one because I know that there's 2 sizes, so I'm just gonna really quickly take it out of the box for you guys. It looks like this. It's really big, and this diffuser in like specific can only go on certain blow dryers, so just in case if you ever wanted to get your hands on this one, I suggest you do because it's really good. Go ahead and go to your nearest Bed Bath & Beyond and pick up this blow dryer because it does go hand in hand with it. Okay, let me stop talking. Let's run into the video. Just to remind you, this is second day hair. So there is some product in it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get my microfiber towel. Now this I got at Ulta. It is a bit on the pricey side, I know, and I've seen on other videos that you can get microfiber towels at like your nearest dollar store or like Walmart or something. But this is the Diva Curl one, and it's great to, you know, kind of get rid of that excess water. And if you hear some calls, that's my dog. But yeah, so this is what I'm using right now, and I'm just gonna kind of put that around my neck like this, like how they do at the salons, just because what we're gonna do is revamp our hair, and by doing so first is obviously taking a spray bottle with water and then just spraying that onto your hair, just drench it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So once you've gotten your water in your hair, I'm taking the denim brush. I got this at Sally's beauty supply, and just brush your hair out. Now I like to start from bottom and move my way up so you don't damage your hair. So yeah, just go ahead and keep detangling. Okay, so after you have your hair detangled, drenched, whatever you want to call it, you're gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner. Right now I'm currently using the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair leave-in conditioning cream. I'm using this one right now. It's about like $5, so whoop. I'm just gonna take some of that in my palm, and then I'm gonna do the praying hands method. I'm just gonna go and slip that onto my hair. Now, the praying hands method, if you guys don't know, is basically boop, boop, like that. Super simple. Just go ahead and then just rake it through your hair. Now this is kind of a bit on the thicker and heavier side, so I don't want it weighing down my hair that much, because I've found that it does that. So I don't like to put too much of it in. After you have that all in your hair, you want to go ahead. I'm using the lock method right now, so LOC. If you guys don't know what the lock method, it is leave-in, it is oil, and then it is your cream, styling cream, and then gel. So moving on, after you put your leave-in conditioner on there, what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, this oil. So this is the Carol's Daughter Oil Repairing Sacred Strengthening Serum. So this I think was like $17 at Ulta. I think so, or it might have been more actually. So I don't know, it just smells good and it's an oil, and it was expensive, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it. So I'm just gonna pump a couple pumps. I like to be generous with this, so I'll just go ahead and apply that mostly on my ends because I don't want to put the oil too much on my roots to weigh it down. You definitely want to take good care of your ends and your roots too, obviously, because your roots will, you know, soon become the mid and the ends of your hair eventually, so you want to take good care. The excess I'll go ahead and apply to my roots. So after you put your oil in, we're gonna move on to your cream. Now I can go ahead and use the Cantu Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, but I kind of want to do something different, and I want to use the I don't know if I want to use the Style Milk or the curl. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Curl Enhancing because I do want to enhance my curls. So this is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie with silk protein and neem oil for thick curly hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and, this is pretty like new still because I have so much freaking products. I like using different, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of rake that through my hair. Oh, it smells so good too. That's the blessing for having like curly hair, because when you have curly hair, the products you have to like use in your hair all have like fruit smells, and you smell like a tropical queen, which is amazing. So then when I get to the cream part, I like to just start scrunching. You can see the scrunching's already taking place, the curl form is, I mean, you're gonna want to take a gel. Now I'm using the Diva Curl Archangel gel, and this is a great gel. Like I said, it is on the pricey side, but it doesn't have all those like hair bangs and stuff in it. So I like to take not a generous amount, but a little bit, and just start scrunching. When you've scrunched in everything, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to diffuse. And so let me get that all set and prepared. I'm gonna actually go to the bathroom now. So once you've obviously finished scrunching, you have all the products in your hair, you're gonna want to diffuse. You can air dry, but I typically like to diffuse because I find it makes the process faster, and it also defines my hair more. And boom, it's on. So obviously you see me here, my hair is coated with product. You have the diffuser on your blow dryer, and now you're gonna start diffusing. Now, what I like to do is just make sure it's really on, and I like to put the setting on cool, just because heat I find makes it may make it faster, but it makes it a lot more frizzier. And then you want to go on high. Okay, so when the hair is like 40 to 50% dry, what I like to do is I like to take the diffuser off, and I like to go in with the cool setting once again, and then just kind of hit the roots. Just try to dry them. So obviously it's added a little volume, not a lot, and I do want to mention that when I didn't get a Diva Curl yesterday, I just got like a straight cut, so it's not going to be as voluminous as it was like before, but because it is short, it is going to have some volume, so I'm kind of like seeing kind of how it's going to just kind of shape out. So it's probably going to get, when it's completely dry, just a little bit more voluminous, but as you can tell, my curls are really shaping already, and it's not even like halfway dry because it's still pretty wet. I know that you can't really see it, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and go out through my day, let it air dry on itself, and then I'm just gonna kind of come back here and then just show you my final results. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. This is the end result. As you can see, like there are some curls that have developed, and this is kind of the same routine that I did when I did have my longer hair. So every single day that I was doing my hair, that's the same routine. That is the products. This was just a really highly requested video, so I'm glad that I finally got it done, made, and created for you guys. So obviously, like I said, that's all the products, and that is my how to get this video and look. I do hope you guys liked it, and I appreciate you guys, you know, watching and tuning into this and hearing me talk for like, oh my god, all these, this whole entire time. My hand does hurt from using my phone, so I don't really know if I like using my phone to record, but this is something new, and I'm glad I tried it. Like I said, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, I thank you so much for watching, and comment below if you like videos like this or want to know more. Definitely follow me on my Instagram, follow me on all my social media accounts. I'll have them linked up here. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.